Hi everyone and welcome to Mark's Messy Garage. So today we're going to be polishing my clutch casing. Aluminium as we call it in the UK and aluminum as you call it over the pond. And this is on my 2012 Harley Davidson Switchback. So when they produced this bike, it came out of the factory with this clutch casing. Lots of Harley Davidsons come out with a nice chrome casing, and they tried to save a lot of money on this, and they ended up just making it in this sort of aluminum, stainless steel, and actually I've worked a lot on this to make it really shiny, but go back about 6-7 months and it was so dull, so dull, and I tried so many different things, but once you get a good shine on it, it's so worth it. So I'm going to show you how I polish it, which I sort of tend to do obsessively every month, depending on the weather, but generally every month. Okay, so first of all I'll apply the polish with the Auto Sol polish, and just rub it in with a cloth to begin with. And there you have it. What a great shine. Any bits you miss out, just give it a little buff into here, but that'll be absolutely great. And then if you want to seal it, you can seal it with wax. I tend to seal it maybe once, twice a year with a bit of wax, but right now while the weather's generally okay, it should be fine. So I hope you found these tips helpful. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, please let me know in the comments box below, and if you didn't like it, let me know again. If there's anything you'd like to see me do on my bike apart from get rid of it, let me know, and feel free to subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye bye.